Every day, millions of glass bottles, cans and PET containers run through a Krones line. As a supplier of complete systems, we provide breweries, beverage bottlers and food producers worldwide with both individual machines and complete production lines. I'm Johannes Kahl, Head of Customers 3D Solutions at Krones. Krones offers comprehensive lines for the food and beverage industries. So that means machines for process technology, filling technology, packaging machines and also digital solutions. Shipping spare on new ports was a major challenge, especially in regions like Africa, where customs delays could stretch for weeks. To address this, we explored 3D printing to speed up delivery, and the initial results showed significant improvements. For customer-specific emergency cases, we needed an FDM printer that could be integrated into a cloud system. Our market research led us to Ultimaker as a best choice. Their solution offered the right combination of data security and tracking, allowing us to monitor each printer and ensure all parameters we met, making our services reliable and efficient.
I'm Bernd Baldauf, Head of Global E-Business, Digital Content and also Additive Manufacturing RPod at Krones. I'm responsible for the implementation of digital products, including our 3D activities. The ability to quickly develop parts was a game changer for us. By being able to produce parts fast, it also meant we could test parts much faster. This enabled us to iterate parts into optimized designs. With traditional production methods, this would have taken us months in the past.
We learned that 3D printed parts are often easily strong enough to be production parts. 3D printed materials, however, come with other benefits over more traditional methods. The parts could be lighter and, if needed, more flexible while still maintaining their function. When a customer needs a spare part, the process starts in the Krones shop. The print shop is sent to the nearest available printer, either at local print center or directly at customer facility. This ensures rapid part production and delivery, minimizing downtime. Since each 3D printed part is certified and guaranteed, we track every part's history and ensure it meets our strict quality standards before approval.
Faster spare parts delivery means a smaller environmental footprint and increased sustainability. Our optimized and certified designs result in parts that perform better and last much longer, enhancing the reliability and serviceability of our machines. The combination of hardware and software, including data security and the ability to monitor printing parameters, ensures every part meets our quality criteria.
The Factor 4 has taken our capabilities to the next level. With support for stronger and more durable materials, we are able to produce parts that are not only tougher, but also offer greater flexibilities with softer materials. We are excited to explore how these possibilities might significantly expand our application range.
The onboard print process reporting of the Factor 4 provides deep insight into the 3D printing process of each individual part. This gives us a greater confidence that the part is precise and has minimal variances, which is crucial for our business model of supplying rapid, high-quality parts on demand that will work for our customers.
The openness of the Ultimaker platform is so important for Krones because we were searching for a partner who allows us to develop our own materials. We have unique requirements, what we have to fulfill to get the best characteristics for our spare parts. Only with the possibility for us to create our own material profiles with specific ingredients, also to make sure that it's only a Krones material, we are able to fulfill these requirements. We're excited about the potential of the Factor 4 to bring even more advanced materials and printing capabilities. We are constantly exploring new applications and improving our processes to stay ahead in the industry.
Our goal is to grow closer to our customers, providing rapid, high-quality parts on demand and continuously improving our service offerings. With the Ultimaker's innovative solutions, we are well on the way to achieving that.